Hi everyone, this is Prachi and welcome back to Sublime Life's YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for all the things beauty, hair, makeup and more. Are you new to skincare and don't know where to start? Are you confused about the difference between a moisturizer and a serum and maybe thinking, do you really need 10-step routine? So don't worry, hold tight, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. As a beginner, skincare world can be little intimidating and full of information. We are here to make skincare super easy for you so that you can get that dewy glowing skin which you're looking for. If you're someone who is looking to adopt to a set skincare routine, these are the 3 essential products you must start with. So the first is cleanser. The purpose of a cleanser is to keep your skin clean and clear. Cleansers help in removing dead skin cells, oil, other impurities from your skin. This is the first step in your skincare routine, which gives you a clean canvas and also helps in better absorption of the other products. Choose a mild, gentle and pH balancing cleansers always. Those with oily or acne prone skin can look for a foam or gel based cleanser such as Lacuna Light Gentle Face Wash, which is gel based, and those who have more drier skin can look for a cleanser which is cream based such as Ekavi Purifying Cream Cleanser. Use the pea-sized amount both in AM and PM and gently move your hands around your face and your neck in a circular motion. So the second step is the moisturizer. Believe it or not, the healthier skin is well moisturized and hydrated. Well moisturized skin soothes and protects you from all the external factors such as heat, pollution, sun damage, etc. It also protects your skin and helps it by strengthening its skincare barrier, which eventually reduces the chances of acne. Quenching your skin's thirst is the easiest way to protect it on a daily basis. Look for a moisturizer which works on both AM and PM. While you do get moisturizer for both day and night, it's always best to start with a basic moisturizer which you can use on daily basis. If your skin is oily or prone to acne, always look for a lightweight moisturizer and non-greasy moisturizer. That way you don't feel very creamy or sticky on your face post application. No one wants to be melting in the middle of the day. We absolutely love One Thing Centella Soothing Cream, which is a K-beauty cult favorite which works wonderfully on all the skin types, even on the sensitive skins, and it also has a soothing formula. So the third step is the sunscreen. While you are aware about this because of your school camps or swimming lessons, sunscreen is the most important skincare product of them all. None of the other products will work effectively if you won't use the ultimate companion, which is sunscreen. Sunscreens can shield your skin and protect you from UV damage, which prevents sun damage, skin cancer, pigmentation, tanning, etc. They are also the best anti-aging weapon that exists because they protect you from heat, pollution and free radicals which can damage your skin. Look for a sunscreen with broad spectrum or a PA protection and also a minimum SPF of 30. We love the Fi Sun Shield which has 50 SPF plus a PA protection which works well on all the skin types. Ensure that you always apply 2 fingers of sunscreen on your face, neck and on your ears every morning. It is the last and the most important step in your skincare routine. Once you've mastered these basic steps, you can move on to more advanced skincare routines which include serums, targeted treatments, exfoliants, etc. Remember, as a beginner, keep it simple and start slow. Don't overdo the skincare products, otherwise it can do more damage than good. We've linked all of our favorites in the description below. You can check that out. As a beginner, if you have any questions, we are here for you. You can let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.